at work. Me just come from, you know, just clock out. And me there in our coronation market with my party. I shop for some fruit for take home to me picnic them. And I'm here, blow, 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 swing. So me say, what if I gunshot that? Poopa Jesus. Told me fright, me nearly piss up myself. I mean nearly shit up. So when me case now, I pick up a sitting them and shot across the road. Then I'm here, poof, bah, kick, badam. I say, what that? So me turn around now. And one man come out of one car, I fling some blow out, box and kick. Come like a karate show we I watch live. In front of we. Why? Live in Karachi. Yeah, man. Me all a sweat told me did I run. Right now, me pick up me sitting and go me yard. Because me tired. This day you stress me not lie.
Hey, ma'am, you didn't pay for your groceries. You just walked out. You didn't pay for it.
But the bumbuck like you mean say me not pay for my groceries them. Pam big black history month you want come try style me outside. No,
I'm not being racist. I'm just telling you, you have to come out. Oh gosh, man. You know what? I don't got time for this. You could keep the groceries. You just can't come back in. Oh my gosh.
After the Spanish people that run gone with them grocery, when shot bus off and I me the one come run down. Where? I'm gonna run them down too. Right, and out of order. And by the time the Guyanese people them gone, the chow main section done off. And I wish you want come run down. Make we go, yeah. Yet a news lady.